artificial intelligence is changing everything. It's composing music, painting masterpieces, and even writing movie scripts. But as these incredible machines start creating just like us, a massive question hangs in the air. Who actually owns what AI creates? Right now, in the United Kingdom, new laws are being drafted for 2025 to answer that very question, laws that could completely redefine what it means to be a creator in the digital age. Music shifts slightly, becoming more inquisitive. You're watching Hidden Isles, where we decode the laws, policies, and the hidden stories that are shaping Britain's future. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and understand what's really changing your digital world, make sure you subscribe now. So, what exactly is this new AI law? Officially known as the UK AI Copyright Bill, its goal is to bring our old, human-centric copyright rules into the 21st century. For centuries, copyright law has been simple. It protects work made by a human. But now, AI systems can generate a unique song, a stunning piece of art, or a complex script in mere seconds. This has thrown the legal world into a spin. Who gets the credit? Who owns the rights? The new bill introduces a fascinating idea. It proposes that creators who use their own original work to train an AI model might be able to retain certain rights over what that AI produces. Think of it like a musician teaching an apprentice. On the other hand, big tech companies that train their AI on vast amounts of public data will face much stricter rules. They'll need to be more transparent about consent and compensation for the original human creators whose work fueled their algorithms. It's a move to level the playing field. Tone becomes more focused on the human impact. What does this all mean for actual creators? For artists, writers, musicians, and filmmakers, these new rules could be a lifeline. They're a potential shield against their life's work being endlessly copied, remixed, and repurposed by AI without their permission or any credit. Many independent creators see this as a huge step towards fairness and transparency in a world increasingly dominated by automated content. It's about protecting the human spark at the heart of creativity. But there's another side to this story. Tech developers and innovators have raised a caution flag. They argue that overly strict regulations could stifle progress and slow down innovation. AI learns by analyzing massive datasets. If access to that data is heavily restricted, it could limit how these systems experiment, learn, and ultimately create new and exciting things. This puts the UK at a critical crossroads, trying to find the perfect balance between protecting creators' rights and fostering the freedom to innovate. It's a debate that's now at the very core of Britain's legal and technological future. And it's important to remember the UK isn't navigating these uncharted waters alone. This is a global conversation. Across the Channel, the European Union is pushing forward with its own AI Act. Across the Atlantic, the United States is holding congressional hearings and grappling with the same questions of AI authorship and data rights. Different countries are taking different approaches. Some are exploring models where AI can hold partial ownership, while others are drawing a hard line, insisting that ownership can only ever be human. The UK's proposed bill seems to be aiming for a unique middle ground. It's an attempt to build a framework that robustly protects human creators while still encouraging safe, ethical, and groundbreaking AI innovation. The world is watching to see if Britain can thread this needle successfully, potentially setting a precedent for other nations to follow. Tone shifts to a more forward-looking, slightly philosophical perspective. So where does this all lead? As AI continues to evolve at a dizzying pace, growing smarter and more sophisticated, the line between human and machine creation is only going to get blurrier. The reforms planned for 2025 might feel like a big step now, but they are likely just the first chapter in a long story of rewriting the global rulebook for creativity. This isn't just a legal or technical issue, it's a cultural one. Whether you're an artist trying to make a living, a developer building the next great AI tool, or simply someone who loves watching movies and listening to music, this law will fundamentally shape how every single piece of digital content you interact with is made, owned, and shared in the future. We are standing on the brink of a new creative era, and the decisions made now will define it for generations to come. Music begins to fade in for the outro. So what do you think? Should an AI ever be able to own the copyright to a piece of art? Or should creativity in its purest form always belong to humans and humans alone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching Hidden Isles, where we uncover the laws that are defining tomorrow's world. If you found this insightful, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs to see it, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the stories shaping our future. We'll see you in the next one.